it's Liv and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be putting weird things into slime. So if you want to know what those two things are, make sure to keep on watching. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become part of the family. It's the LWL squad, but to be part of the LWL squad, you have to turn on post notifications, which is pretty much after you subscribe. Hit the little bell next to it and do not click none, do not click none, do not click personalized, click all. So here are the two people that did do that. Shout out go to Cupcake Basket 6 and Starry Slimes Co. So thank you so much for being subscribed and watching my videos and having your post notifications on and being a member of the LWL squad. And also, before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I think that's pretty much it. But there's one more thing I want to tell you guys. I have a giveaway going on right now for 100 subscribers. So I will probably put it in the card or the description or whatever if you want to enter in it. So, but when you click on the video, make sure to read the description because that has everything in like finer detail than what I said in the video. So yeah, and thank you so much to Madison, one of my friends, for creating my new summer intro. I really, really love it. And I love how it has like a cool feel to it. And I really love it. So thank you so much for that. And yeah, let's just get on into the video. So the first thing I'm adding into slime is Play-Doh. So here is my school glue base. Yeah, it's my school glue base. So I took some of that base with my horrible nails. I'm very, very sorry. I'm going to get them done soon. So I took some of this pink Play-Doh and added it in. I added it in like a little bit at a time, but I ended up just adding all of it in there. And as you will see once I mix it in, it actually affected the slime. Some of the ingredients in this video did not affect the slime very much, but this one sure did. It not only altered the color though, because it did alter the color, but it did not only do that. As you can see as I'm mixing it in, the Play-Doh is actually melting the slime. It's not actually giving it like a texture or anything, it's just melting it. So I ended up adding some activator in both clips. Not both clips, just in the whole video. In the Play-Doh one in general is my handy dandy activator bottle. So I have had to add a lot of activator just to keep it up so I can mix it. And the Play-Doh chunks did mix in, just telling you guys, they did mix in. And yeah, so pretty much the Play-Doh just kept on melting the slime. I was trying to add more just to see if it would give it an actual affected texture, but it just stayed the texture as it did. So I'm just keeping on adding it in, and it keeps on getting stickier and stickier, which really sucks. So yeah, that's what pretty much happens when you add Play-Doh to slime, if you didn't want to know. So if you want to experiment at home, just get some slime. I personally use school glue, lotion, and activator. I made the slime beforehand though, because I have this little base that I use for videos if I need to add just stuff to the slime. And yeah, so I just activated it, and now I'm back with the slime. And do you know what I'm going to do? I'm not just going to stop there. I'm going to add even more. And I'm trying to really be careful because I don't want to get Play-Doh on there right now because it feels like bleh. And I have a question for you guys. So once I started playing with slime and everything, I couldn't really play with Play-Doh again because I just tried to stretch it, and because of my slime instincts. So, does that happen to you guys when you play with Play-Doh? Comment down below if it does. So, as you can see, I'm just adding more and more activator because it's getting even more stickier. So, yeah, that's pretty much what happens. Oh. Here's the final result of the slime. I added in all the Play-Doh. So I put some of it in the little Play-Doh jar. And it was acting very weird with it. So pretty much it literally didn't even stick to the Play-Doh jar container. It just had like a little bit of grease or oil or whatever and made that around the container. So yeah, that was pretty much the slime. And it did it felt like it had a little bit of cornstarch in it, but it didn't. So yeah, that's pretty much the end result of the Play-Doh slime. So let's get on into the next one. So the next thing I'm adding in is, I think it's a face mask, gel face mask. I added two types. Later on I added a different type, but this one specifically is a gel face mask. I forget where I got this, but I added some of it to it. At first it started smelling, but then it started melting again. The slime started melting. I used the same base that I had. It just kept on melting, which really sucked. So I just had to keep on adding activator, and I'll come back to you when I add something else. So now that the slime is fully activated, I grabbed another face mask thing. This one was a mud mask, I think that's what it's called. It's this cucumber melon mud mask. It has a really unique texture to it. It has little crumbs of stuff into it. And it was really cool to mix in because it gave it a little bit of a texture, which I really liked. So this did not really melt the slime or anything. It just gave it that cool texture, which I was very happy that I didn't melt it. So yeah, that's pretty much the result of adding a face mask into slime. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to become part of the LWL squad, and also to become part of the LWL squad, hit the little notification bell, and do not click on, do not click personalize, click all. And also, if you are not already, go enter in my 100 subscriber giveaway, which is ending, I forgot when I posted it, but it's like a week and a half from when I actually posted it. So yeah, make sure to go enter that, because I'm going to be giving away 3 amazing slimes, 3 8-ounce slime. I changed the sizes, so if you are watching this video, I'm letting you know that I changed the size of the slime. They're all going to be 8 ounces. And so, yeah, bye.